In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to explore the Questions tab in Testmoz. Now, once we've completed our settings, the next step is to add our questions. Now, there are different question types that you can choose from. The ones that are on top, the graded questions, are free of cost, and the others come under the premium version. So let's just explore a few of these. Let's start with multiple choice questions. I don't have a choice 4, so I'm going to delete this answer. And I'm going to click this shuffle answers only to make it harder for my students to discuss the answers. You can keep them off as well, so it will show it in this specific order. But if I shuffle it, it will come in any order. Now, I'll show you how to copy this question type. All you need to do is press this plus icon and you'll be able to copy this question type. And I will say, once again, I'm shuffling the order. And an important thing over here is you can add the score or your marks to each of these questions. Now these are all 1 mark questions, so I'm going to leave them 1. I'm going to insert another question. Over here I'm going to ask for choose many. Now over here we have 1 correct answer, 2 correct answers. So 2 correct answers, so I will score this 2 points. And I'm going to click give partial credit. That is, even if the student gets 1 answer correct, they'll get partial points or some marks. That is 1 out of the 2. I'm going to show you another question type, that is true and false. Earth has 40 days. The answer is false, so I'm going to click false. Remember, you just have to click the correct answer over here to note the correct answer. Let's see another question type. Fill in the blanks. So the correct answer over here is air, land and life. 1 mark. I'm not going to select case sensitive grading because the student can type air in a small case also. Let's see another question type, that is match the following. Now I'm not going to go into the details, but you can just fill the correct answers over here and change this question. For this quiz I would not like it, so I'm just going to remove this question. My last question is an essay question. Give this 5 marks. I want my students to write 5 points, so I'm going to give an explanation. Okay, this is not a part of the free, so I can just put it in brackets over here. Give 5 points. And here my questions are ready. So it will tell you that your test has 6 questions of 11 points. I'm going to go to publish. I'm going to preview my test to see if it looks good. This is how the test is going to look to my students. And they're going to press submit once they are done. I'm going to close the preview. And I'm going to show you how to save this document. Now I can save this as a Word document by just clicking this view or print, and it will give me a link to download my test, a Word document. And I'm ready to publish it. In the next tutorial, I'll share how to share your tests with your students and the results. So please watch the next video as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any further questions, please write to us in the description box down below. Thank you.